MeghalayaPost.news.
Takis paangut kitrai bakinongnya kali kamai jongka jala Meghalaya hapo kalama jongka all kasi Meghalaya Tourist Taxi Association mentaka sengi kila ilumpai ba Hamadan Malki batban Pynrem jur Iaka Jingmynthi lagi bor ke Sorkar Jylla halor ki Jingdawa balabu dakate kunhun kinongnya ba kitrai kali kamai jongka jala Meghalaya hakate ke Jingyalang pai ba na kaliang jongka seng kikali kamai kila rairu ban aipor satang Shi Taiew Iaka Sorkar Jylla kamtam yo menteri rangba ka Jylla ukon rat kisangma ban ai Iaka rai ke basai halor ki Jingdawa jongka ne kaseng lapun pauru ya jing songkhia ka bajur halor ka jing kuman jongki bor ka Sorkar Jylla ban simkhia bat bon wengi ki jing e jongki hakabai de ba ka jing nang kiu ki kali kamai ki banambar Jylla ki bawan ban kiu ban kamai jakpo syaki jaka jongka Jylla Meghalaya ki balak kelaru kum ka jing du nong ka bakrau ya ki trai ri trai muruk ki ba im jakpo nakane ka kam kamai kali.
That was taken today is that there are three things that we're going to do. The first thing is that we're gonna write an open letter to the Chief Minister of Meghalaya. The second is that we will have a peace rally. If the open letter doesn't work out, we'll have a peace rally. That is the second option. And the third and last option is a hunger strike that we are proposing from our side as leaders of different associations, that we will go in hunger strike if the government does not listen to our demands.
What are your demands exactly?
Our demands is that we just want all vehicles coming registered from other states, not registered with Meghalaya. We just want them to stop at ISBT. It's not that we are stopping them to come to Meghalaya. We're saying come to Meghalaya, but as designated stop in designated places in the ISBT or any places which the government will provide, and from there we will ferry the passengers, we will ferry the guests to the designated tourist spots. So that is our only demand from the government.
Do you not?
If you're talking about that, most of the vehicles from Assam are flying here in Meghalaya, not in Assam. If you go to different tourist spots of yours also, you will see that there are very few Assam vehicles that are operating there in your tourist spots. If you go Kaziranga also, you will get only 50 to 100 vehicles. The rest are all here in Meghalaya. So even if the Assam government tells us to stop coming to Assam, we are ready for that. But if we are doing that, we also will do the same thing. We also will propose the same thing of stopping all vehicles from Assam at Jorabad. So it will be a tit for tat. So if you are demanding for that, we are not stopping any Assam vehicles or any vehicles from other state to come to Meghalaya. We're just saying that you come, but you stop at designated places, as done in Arunachal, in Sikkim, in Nagaland and Mizoram. So we're just proposing for the same idea and the same proposal as implemented in other states.
So there was
Yes, as an association, we had spoken with our counterparts from Assam. We had spoken on the phone with our counterparts from Assam, and it was an honest mistake since the person also did not who was hassled did not have a proper communication skill. So he did not know how to communicate what we were trying to do or what we are trying to achieve with our black flag. So he did not have that means of communication. So that was just a misunderstanding from their side, which has been resorted out. So we don't have any problem like that with Assam.
But what?
As associations from Meghalaya, we have always worked with association with the union from Assam, and if there was any problem with the Assam vehicles or with the Meghalaya vehicles in our jurisdiction, we always help out. So the same thing also we are expecting from Assam, that they will understand what we are demanding and what we are asking from our government.
MeghalayaPost.news.